Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting because we are going to be doing a full month of using only Glow Recipe skincare. So in this video, I'm going to be taking you on a journey through the month of only using the Glow Recipe products that I bought. And I'll check in with you each week to see how my skin is looking, if it's improving, things like that. And then at the end, we're gonna go over which products I would repurchase, which products I liked, which products that I didn't love, and give you my final thoughts on the month. But before we get to all that, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button. Red button says subscribe. I'm gonna need you to hit it. We have a lot of fun here on my channel doing makeup, food, fashion, lifestyle, anything you could ever want. And if you enjoyed this particular video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Both of those things would really help me out and I would really appreciate it. So without further ado, let's get into this month of Glow Recipe skincare. Okay, so before we jump into the month, I wanted to show you all the products that I got and what I'm gonna be using. First, I got a little pack of their essential products, like some of their best sellers. And that included the Watermelon Glow PHA+BHA Pore-Tight Toner, Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Cream, the Plump Hyaluronic Serum, the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops, and the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. And then I wanted to round out the whole routine. So additionally, I purchased the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream, the Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm, the Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum, and finally the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen. So those are the products that I used for a month straight. Now let's get into the weekly check-ins. All right guys, this is my pre-Glow Recipe check-in. I haven't started using the products yet, so I want to kind of get a look at my skin. This is my starting point and what I'm hoping to compare to in the end. Hoping to see some improvements. So let's get a good look at this skin. So I'm like a pretty oily girly, and I also am just kind of like acne prone. I say this in every one of my skincare videos, but I just want everyone to know. Acne prone, I have acne scars, you know, some dark spots, some redness. So that's like mostly what I want to focus on, and just the overall texture of my skin. You know, getting some of these little tiny bumps down and like maybe help with some of this like oil buildup and blackheads on my nose. Acne, blackheads, and dark spots and acne scars are what I would love to see some improvement on this month. So let's just jump right in and I will see you on the next checkup. All right, everybody, it has been 1 week of using Glow Recipe skincare. This is what I'm looking like. About a day or two after I started the skincare, my skin like freaked out. I got like all this acne right here. You can see like the scabs and kind of like a patch of like a little milia right here. It just like freaked out. But I think it was just like shook by the sun change. But now it's calming down. We're getting a little better. I like picked at it pretty bad too, so that's not very helpful, but you can see kind of what went down over this past week. But other than that little hiccup there, I think everything's going pretty well. I think my blackheads might already be looking a little clearer. So this is the 1 week check-in. Let's see what happens in the next 3 weeks. Hey guys, what's up? This is the 2 week check-in of my month of using Glow Recipe skincare. So this is what the skin is looking like after 2 weeks. Very glowy. We do still have some acne going on, a little bit here, but this is kind of where I normally get it, along my jaw. It's usually a red flag to me if I start getting acne like places I don't normally get it, but since it's just like right here, I'm not too worried about it just yet. And you know, we still have half the month left, so this is what the blackheads are looking like. Not too bad. I think overall it's going pretty well so far, but let's keep trucking and see what happens. Hey guys, what is up? This is our week 3 check-in. I haven't mentioned this yet, but when I ordered I ordered the 2 cleansers together and I got this free cute little headband moment with it, so I thought I'd show it off. Anyways, this is what my skin is looking like. I did like just put on moisturizer like 5 minutes ago, so I'm probably looking a little like dewier than normal, but just keep that in mind. Okay, we have a neck zit, but we're gonna ignore that. Things are looking good. The acne's going down. I don't have any like active zits right now. These ones are just kind of clearing up. Like that forehead is looking smooth. I think the blackheads are looking a little bit clearer. And I'm feeling pretty happy right now with the results from week 3. So we have one last week to get through and hopefully no disasters strike, but I think things are looking good. So I will see you guys for the final check-in. Alright guys, this is it. It is officially been 1 month and 1 day since starting this glow recipe journey, and this is how my skin is looking. Overall, I think I have a super nice glow. I think its namesake is correct. Glow recipe left me pretty glowy. Here we are up close for like a texture check on the forehead. I think it looks pretty good. The blackheads in the nose area, still a little bit of a problem, I feel like. Not totally clear, but pretty good looking. Here are the cheeks and the chin, which is my problem area with acne. As you can see, I don't have any really big cysts right now or anything like super crazy going on. I think these are starting to fade, these little acne scars over here. And I have like, we're not counting this neck zit, but like I had 1 or 2 zits this week, but they're just little guys and nothing to like phone home about. I don't know how I feel about like the dark circles under my eyes. They're still there. I don't know if, I'll have to look at the footage to see if they're like better or worse. They just kind of look the same right now, just looking at them. But I think I'm pretty happy with the results. I think that like my overall complexion looks really nice and smooth and glowy and dewy. And I definitely, you know, would not be ashamed to go out barefaced like this. So I am pretty happy with the results. Alright, so that was the weekly check-ins for a month of using Glow Recipe skincare. So let's get into each product. I'll let you know how I liked it and if I would repurchase it again. Okay, so let's start with the Papaya Cleansing Balm. So this is what I would use to take my makeup off before I used the cleanser. It smells so good, like some sort of fruity candy moment. Smells so good, and I really enjoyed this. Worked really well, melted my face like super well. Other cleansing balms I use kind of get in my eyes sometimes and like leave a film, and I like have a film on my eyes, I feel like, for a while. And I feel like this one didn't do that. I think it did a great job of just melting the makeup off, not irritating my skin or my eyes or anything like that. And I definitely would repurchase this again. I'm glad that I picked this up. All right, next let's talk about the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. I think this cleanser actually is a little too gentle for me. I think I need something with a little bit more active ingredients in it for acne. Gentle Cleanser is a great name for this. I think if you have dry skin or you don't have if you're not super acne prone or anything like that, you would really like this cleanser. I really liked how it foams. It foams up super nicely. It's a great experience using it, but I just think for my skin type, I need a little bit more active ingredients to fight acne and blackheads. So I wouldn't repurchase this in the future. Next, this is the Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum. I would use this in the morning between cleanser and moisturizer. I really like this. I actually bought this before this video, so I had used this before. I really like it. I think it does a great job of calming redness, and ceramides are great for your skin, so I like having this step in my routine. Packaging super nice, glass, adorable. All the packaging on this line is adorable and the scents are amazing. So I don't have to say that for every product, but just know I love the packaging. So this one I did enjoy using. It melts into your skin so nicely. It doesn't leave like, it's not like a typical serum that leaves you kind of like dewy. It sinks in really nicely, and so it's easy to put makeup on top of, and I would repurchase this again. And the last step, second to last step in my morning routine was the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. And I have used this before a couple years ago, like when it first dropped in like 2016 or something like that, 2017 something. And I love this Moisturizer, it is great for oily and acne prone skin. It is so light, it's a gel texture, sinks in so nicely. It's like the perfect morning moisturizer for me. The scent, Watermelon Jolly Rancher, it is amazing, and I would buy this over and over again. I really do love this. It is perfect for the summer as well with how light it is. Like maybe you want a little bit more hydration in the winter, but if you're an oily human like me, then this is the perfect moisturizer for the summer. Yes, would repurchase 1,000 times. And then my last step in the morning routine, most important step, is SPF. This is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide sunscreen, and they dropped this like right as I was starting the month, so I knew I had to like scoop it up. It is a mineral and chemical sunscreen. It has both types of ingredients in it. It has that Watermelon Jolly Rancher scent, so it's not like that sunscreen smell. It does have a little bit of that sunscreen smell, but the watermelon-y smell like kind of covers it up. And this is a really, really nice sunscreen. Again, if you, actually no, I think all skin tones, not skin tones. Well, yes, skin tones. Okay, I think all skin types are gonna love this sunscreen because it does have niacinamide, so it's great for acne prone and like oily skin, but also it's very hydrating feeling and dewy, so I think it'd be great for dry skin as well. And something I really like about this is that I have seen videos of deeper, darker skin tones using it, and it blends in very beautifully without leaving a white cast. So it's an inclusive sunscreen, which you don't often think of, but it is important to think about. So I really like that they had all skin tones in mind when they made this. The one caveat with it is you have to wait until your moisturizer has sunk in a little bit and then put it on, or else it will pill and ball up a little bit. So wait just a couple minutes after you put your moisturizer on to put this on, and then you're good to go. Like, there's no problem. But I have seen some reviews saying it pills, but you just have to like wait for everything to soak in before you put this on. But yes, I would repurchase this again. All right, so for my night routine, I would do the cleansing balm, the cleanser, and then I would go in with the Watermelon Glow PHA+BHA Pore Tightening Toner. And I really love this. It has that Watermelon Jolly Rancher scent, can't get enough of it, and it soaks in so nicely to my skin. Didn't feel sticky or weird or anything like that. And I love like a PHA, BHA, AHA moment, and since there isn't anything else with that in this routine, I definitely would get this product again. But I do use a glycolic acid face wash normally, and I wouldn't use this with that because that's too many acids on my face and that can be really stripping. So I would buy this again to use it with another gentle cleanser like a Cetaphil, CeraVe moment. But I really did love this product and I would purchase it again. All right, and then after the toner would soak in, I would go in with the Plump Hyaluronic Serum for deep hydration and glow. I did like this product. I think it soaked in pretty well. This one just wasn't really a standout to me. I think it did help with that overall glow, but it wasn't a product that I was like extremely hype about. So I don't know if I would repurchase this one. It was a good experience, but I don't know, maybe it's better for drier skin who needs that extra hydration from the hyaluronic acid. So maybe it's just not for my skin type, you know? And then I went in with the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask, and I really love this like eye cream. It has this like kind of dense consistency to it, and it felt really cooling. It was like constantly cold for some reason. I don't know what it is about it, but it was so cooling on my eye area, and I really did enjoy using this, and I think that I would purchase this again. I think the experience was great, and I think it did work in helping me not be so like puffy and maybe brighten the dark circles a little bit. I would purchase this eye cream again. And then lastly in the routine, I would use the Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream. This is very, I don't want to say oily, but that's like the only kind of word that's coming to mind. I don't know if it's oil free or not, but it felt moisturizing, but it also felt oily, and I didn't love that for me. Maybe, I think that this product is like more for a dry skin type for sure. I wouldn't repurchase this. I just don't think this product is for oily skin. It smells delicious though. It smells like straight up banana Laffy Taffy. Smells so good, but just not for me. And that's okay. And then the last product that I have is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. And I didn't use this product at all because I am very confused about it. The directions on the website say two different things. One says use it before moisturizer, and one says use it after moisturizer, but then it also says it's skincare slash makeup, so I'm like, is it a highlighter? Like, it's just a very confusing product to me, and the messaging wasn't clear, and since I didn't know how to use it, I was just like, I'm not gonna use it. I already have so many other products, like, I'm not gonna add this one in. And my oil already makes me dewy as is, so I don't really need extra dew. But maybe if you are dry, but I just bypassed this product altogether. I was like, I don't understand it, so I'm not gonna use it. Okay, so out of the 9 products that I have here, I would repurchase 5. So that's six. I would repurchase 6 out of the 10 products I have, and that is definitely a winning ratio. So to recap, I would repurchase the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Cream, the Watermelon Glow Pore Tightening Toner, the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer, the Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum, the SPF, and the Papaya Cleansing Balm. So those 6 I would recommend, especially if you have oily, acne-prone skin like I do. And the others, they may be for you dry people out there, you know what I mean? But for myself, they didn't work. So that is all I have for you guys today. I hope this video was informative, and I hope you learned a little bit about these products. And maybe if you're interested in trying some of them, I hope this helped you figure out which ones you want to try. Please leave any comments, questions, concerns in the comments. I go through all of them. I'd love to read them. And that is all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did enjoy this, and also let me know if you want another month of skincare. I've done Fenty Skin, Glow Recipe, Hyrum Skincare, can't even remember the name of it, and Herbivore. So if you want to see another brand, please let me know, and I'm always down to try it. That's it from me. I'll see you guys soon, and stay on fleek, friends. Bye.